G'day everyone, Angus here, dietitian in Coffs Harbour with Fuel Your Life. Another really nice recipe today. This one's a real budget-friendly one. Really easy, simple to do, really yummy. Kids will love it. You can make a big batch, have for days and days after if you want. You can change it around. It's really versatile, and it's just fried rice. So it's a really nice, easy recipe. Altogether, should serve about 4 people, all for with the ingredients, $5. So the whole recipe of this should cost you around $5, which is ridiculous. So to start off, we've got a hot pan there warming up. Go through the ingredients. So we've got 4 whisked eggs. We've got about 2 cups of pre-cooked rice, 2 cups of mixed frozen veg, just 1 onion, finely diced. We're going to be adding a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, a small amount, about half a teaspoon of sesame oil, and then a little bit of olive oil to cook in, and finally, of course, 2 teaspoons of garlic. So first off, that pan's getting nice and hot. So a little bit of oil in there, probably about a good tablespoon or so. Get that onion in first. Alright, that's going to fry away for 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes translucent, and we'll come back to that in a tick. Alright, 2 minutes has gone by, onion's soft, so now we're just getting our garlic in there. Oh yeah. Fry that around for a minute. Fry and stir around for a minute. So while that's frying away, you just want to get your vegetables ready to go. So if you haven't heard the news, frozen vegetables just are as good, just as nutritious as fresh. So super cheap, super convenient, perfect for something like this. Alright, so that garlic's really starting to smell beautiful now. So get our veggies in. Now these are going to cook for a bit longer. Give it 3 to 4 minutes, just until the veggies are cooked through. So I'll keep stirring that, I'll keep an eye on it, and then we'll come back with the next step in 3 to 4 minutes. Alright, veggies have been going for about 4 minutes now. They've softened up really well. So now you want to make a bit of a well in the middle of those. Get our whisked eggs, whack them in. Easy. And then just stir that around slowly and just mix those eggs in as they start to cook. And essentially you should end up with scrambled eggs with a heap of veg and garlic through it. And that's exactly what we want. So that's going to happen fairly quickly, as you can see. So I'm just going to turn that heat down slightly. So that's cooked really quickly already. Good. Keep it moving around. Alright, so that's looking good. Last bit we need is our rice. So there's 2 cups of that. Remember, this is pre-cooked already, so whether it's from the night before or it's one of those pre-cooked microwave packets, doesn't really matter. Got our rice, and then I'm going to free pour about a tablespoon of oyster sauce. So I reckon a tablespoon's about, I'm not sure, that's a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons, tablespoon, about there. Same amount of soy sauce. So again, tablespoon, 1, 2, 3, it's probably a tablespoon there. And then just for a little bit of flavour, a tiny bit of sesame oil, only about half a teaspoon or so, so just a good drop there. That's it. Now we just mix all that through. You probably take that off the heat. Mix that rice through. Alright, I think we're done. I should have timed that, but all in all, 10 minutes, so hence we call this the 10-minute fried rice. Like I said, this should comfortably serve 4 people. You can always even add extra little bits in if you want to add, I don't know, prawns or chicken, or even beef to bump up the protein a little bit. Of course, it's going to come with a bit of an extra cost, but you do you. You can always top it with some granulated peanuts or some fried spring onion if you like as well. And there we have it, all done. So 10-minute fried rice, perfect for lunches, dinners, keep in the fridge for a few days and have for the rest of the week. Hope, bang that bit up. hope you all enjoyed that. Hope it was a good, easy one. And if you give it a go, let us know in the comments below. And thanks again. See you guys.